Tennessee. She had a twinkle in her eye. But when she got real close to me, I thought that I might die. Lord, it wasn't her sweet kisses or her southern charm that hurt. It was something fishy down south beneath her flowery skirt. We went out to the honky-tonk, had a beer or maybe four. But every time she walked on by, folks were rushing for the door. It wasn't cause she couldn't dance or cause she couldn't flirt. No, it was something fishy down south beneath that mini skirt. There's something fishy down south, and it sure ain't seafood. It's making all the country boys go